Jubilee P Baro shaka thup Khuborjylla ka Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaga sni kilong. Penhap perda UCM but Deputy CM ya ka Jubilee rupa ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Penursla. Jit ka Indigo Samut ki Samla na ka interview ha Donbosco Youth Center. Rakhe ka NEN ya ka sngi bakerpang ki kenthei nong kendong. Ban kurup ki pulit nong po Arspa Andrew kilo ukenja pet grad unongnya. Bat mentang ini pai syaki Khubor ki bakamanya. Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma rengkot senrop Menteri Rangba ba Prestun Tensong haka arpu pratarik Risaw kila syembenta ban penhak perda ya kejing penkut ya ka rakhi kemen Jubilee rupa Silver Jubilee ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Penursla. Ya ka kerdan pule Higher Secondary haka ni ka school lapli haus 6 hajar. Barkalakan jo arpusan senam pura ha uni usnam arhajar arpusan ha kajing penpriang ya ka kerdan puli putih ha ka kenjang ka ba kam hajarong ha ka than riwar mingi barokawe. Ya ka St. Anthony's Lower Primary but High School la sedang ha usnam khat khandai spa san pohnyo da ka jingyo I jingal jong ukraw perkhat Reverend Padar E. Yusai SDB u missionary Bashir Rahem juga seng reunion selection jong udon Bosco bakut. Hakitu ki por bat kisnam kani kathan riwar mingi kadang long kaleng khashra hakabaki pat ba kidang im hakajing penyat bastad kamay maryang bat hakajing tiplem bala thep do nong bu nong thau hakido nut bat kijing mut jing perkhat jongki kapule puthi hakitu kisnam kadang jingai bak lebak naki pat ba kani kathan Deda ka jingwan jo ka balang Catholic bat ka jingmi perthei kani ka school suki jai da ka jingtrai shitom kinong penyat kinong hikai ka jingtrai lang jong ki kmi ki kpa kinong senshar shnong bat ka jingmi not jong ki khna school kani ka than barokawe kala yoi ya ka jing koridor jong ka jingnang jing start bat menta kani ka than kala pho kum ki tiu kula babon rong bat ba internet ha kani ka kper sentiu Hakani ka sngi penwa ya ka jing rakhe kemen Jubilee rupa lawan pensaat bat yeng sakhi dau Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma sunrop Menteri Rangba ba Prestun Tensong Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ba Sanbor Shulai ka Congress Mary Kharpuri MDC na Nongshken SDO Civil kong I Wajri ki he pulit ki long kemi long kpa bat ki khna school barem ki baladi ki umpol liu jing start na ka ni ka school La pensyong kun niki program lekmen hak ni kasngi da kajing penkup buram sngongu yaki padar ki sestar bat kiri rang ba ki balalong ki paya barat ba hak kajing sedang ya kani ke skul hadu bakandalong kumni kumbakalong menta.
Two things. Number one, that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be giving a sum of 35 lakhs for the building from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Second, we realize that the need for higher secondary schools is more because of the pass percentage in the secondary schools. And hence we are coming up with a program which is the final stage of drafting the guidelines where private schools, that means non-government schools, private schools which could be government aided, based on their performance, based on geographical, issues, the fact that they are very, interior locations, and other factors, the government intends to support, depending on funds of course, anything between 50 to 100 schools every year to extend their classrooms in higher secondary schools. So we are almost at the final stage of drafting the guidelines. We should be able to announce the schools which will be getting this also very soon. And we are looking at a fund of anything between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, again, depending on the budget. But roughly that amount we intend to give to the schools so that they can expand the buildings and create more classrooms. Let me assure Father Lucas and the managing committee and the people of the area that this school will be included in that list also. So we will get funds from that scheme also because of the kind of work that you are doing, the difference that you make in the society, and the selflessness, the sacrifice and the commitment with which we have been working for the past decades to bring a difference into the lives of the young students and the people living in this area. So with these few words, I once again would like to wish all the past pupils, all the past headmistresses, headmasters, principals, all the past members of the managing committee, all the past teachers and the non-teaching staff, and everybody who has contributed today to make and to bring the school to where it is.
Ka Indigo, ke airline bahetam hari India, rengkat ke Emporium Skills Training Institute, bat ka Don Bosco Youth Center. Kila penlong ka campus recruitment drive, walk-in interview, nak benta ki kam cabin crew, ha Don Bosco Youth Center, DBYC lajum kra Shillong. Kiba penya ya kini ke interview, ki kentup ya u Anirban Mukherjee, Operation Manager, Niha Debnath, bat ka Kansha Chaudhary. Hakani ka walk-in interview lawan ya kun arspa sa pu arngot ki Samla kenthe na keleng ki Jylla lamingi kari India. Na ki arspa sa pu arngot kinong penyat ki lajit sangut ban ai training shu nak benta ki kam ban penkamti haki. Kini ki sangut ki bala syajit menta ka sngi ki long ka Samla Priya Sinha, ka Samla Petsho Yukupa, ka Samla Pasang Yangki Sherpa, bat ka Samla Kasanchi S Marak. Ka DBYC kala penlong ya kani ka walk-in interview haka sien ka bandingkong hakaba kalaya soy ya ka memorandum of understanding MOU bat ka ESTI ha unailur menta usnam. Da kani ka MOU ka DBYC bat ka ESTI kila menjer banya trelang ban ai jing hikai bat ban plilat ki Samla ban rungkam haki company aviation hospitality bat luxury international cruise liners. Ka DBYC bat ka ESTI kindang yai beteng ban ai jing hikai bat ban penkre ya ki Samla ka Meghalaya ban rungkam haki company baper haki arpau teli kiri ka prathei. Habakran sikinong thok Khubor uravan padar Michael Makri SDB Director Don Bosco Youth Center Shillong. Ulapan pau ka jing kemen bat ka jing thrang banyarap shu ya ki Samla ban yo ya laki kam ki jam. Ulapan pau ka jing sngongu ya ki bor jong ka indigo ya kinong penyat ke ESTI bagi ki arspa sabhu arngot ki Samla ki balawan syaka walk-in interview menta kasngi. Ki Samla kenthe na Meghalaya la shemba kim kot ka renyeng renyot ki dunah ka ketien Hindi bat kim shimla pan kre bha ban yakun ya ka interview.
States, girls from different communities and states have come and participated today. We have people coming in from Arunachal Pradesh, from Mizoram, from Manipur, Nagaland. They have been participating over here for the interview today, and we had a good presence, huge number of footfalls today. And the Indigo team is also currently taking interviews in this venue. It's a campus interview which is open to all, and this is a free of cost interview totally which we have opened for everybody who is eligible for this interview. So similarly, every month we will be conducting interviews in Shillong from now on. So people of Shillong now, and especially educated unemployed youths who have passed class 12 or graduation, now you don't have to chase jobs and going down to Guwahati looking for a job, or Delhi or Hyderabad or Mumbai. Now all the jobs will come to you right at your doorstep. All you have to do is get skilled and get hired. In collaboration with Don Bosco Youth Center, Emporium is now planning to come up with batches every month, and we will be trying to identify candidates from different schools and colleges, especially people who are looking for employment opportunities. We will be working them and in tandem for jobs in India as well as outside India. We are currently hiring for about 20 countries around the world, and people who are freshers now can go and get visas, employment visas, through Emporium Shillong. Our office is inside Don Bosco Youth Center, Shillong in Laimukra. So whoever is interested to know more about us, we would request them to come in person along with their documents and get to know more about us and get to know more about the 60 days professional training program. I would also like to urge the schools and colleges here in Shillong through this session. I would also like to urge, and we are looking for collaborations. We are open to collaborations with you, because according to the National Education Policy NEP 2020, now in all the schools and colleges are also now focusing on skill development as per this new Skill India mission and as per the NEP 2020. So we as placement partners, we are partnering with various universities across Northeast and various universities across India. So my urge to all the schools and colleges in Shillong over here is, let's partner together, and apart from giving only graduation degrees or class 12 certificates, let's work together and provide qualifications and professional training as well as placements, job offers to the candidates when they come, so that people, when they join colleges, they would not go out of the college only with a graduation degree, they would also go out with an offer letter. That is all from our side. We wish all the best to all the candidates in Shillong, and we look forward to do more interviews over here. Today it was Indigo Airlines. Tomorrow we were looking at bigger interviews, so the announcements will keep coming in. We are looking for skilled candidates. There is no dearth of job. The problem in India was always about skilled candidates. We have candidates with degrees and diplomas, but degrees and diplomas are not working anymore. It's the skills which are now the future of the country. So let's build India together. Let's build a new nation. Thank you so much.
Haka arpu pratarik Risaw arhajar arpusan ka Northeast Network NEN ka seng ka bayarap iki long keme ban yo yaki hok ban pen Khubor yaki hasor ban hanong kandong kala penlong yaka jingra Khuborjylla yaka sngi ki long keme nong kandong International Day of Rural Women hasavio holai kra Shillong. UR Naina Malay IFS Member Secretary Meghalaya Biodiversity Board ulalong ukong san hakani ka jingelong. Kakong Yamon Lang Siem Chairperson Meghalaya State Commission for Women Batka Anurita Hazarika Executive Director Jaga Northeast Network Kiladan Lang hakani ka sngi. Kilong kumi na West Khasi Hills but Eastern West Khasi Hills kilawan ban shimbanta yakani ka jingra Khuborjylla hakani ka sngi. Ban batay halor ki jing trekam jong ka nika kunhun ka state coordinator jong ka Northeast Network Meghalaya ka kong yai manda rengsai kalaya thu ba ka nika kunhun ka tre ban penkup bat ban penyo ya ka hok jong ki kan thei bat kilong kumi ha ki than nong kondong da ka ba hikai bakin yeng hala ki jong ki kjat ha ka khayi ka pateng ka rep ka riang bat bande ya ki mar ki mata ba ki penmi na la yeng la sem kum ki umso ki ashar bat ki jhur. Hadian ka jingyalang lapan long ya ka yo di jingbam bat ki wei ki mar ki mata haplau jong ka ni ka hol.
I'm a board member, and I extend first of all, my regards and respect to Ben and the rest of the team in Guwahati, and also in Nagaland, and all the team here, Yaimanda and the team of NEN. Just want to thank you for always making me feel welcome also and a part of NEN. But most of all, I just want to say a few things that, I've seen that over the years, NEN has been really getting into the grassroots where livelihoods are concerned, and this is something that you can see some visible manifestation of that today. So we're very happy and congratulations to the NEN team. Di naman tajong pibaro nga nashwa tang manyeto nga kemenha bakanen ka invite nga ba hindi kan kata nga la ju taman siya to epi nga la ju dan benta bat kanen kom board member but general member ro nado kat kandai program tu syu kan post nem syu ndai takadang yu I ya kajing manjing roy jong kajing trekam jong kanen but nga congratulate yaki mai khuble yaki kita but kam tam ban yu I fi bro kon gijing ruai gijing kini berokat kibangan sapet cebal gijing thong. I look forward to that. But I'm sure you be ban ba kaway na ki benta banila banjo Khubor halor na dia kam tami ki long kme apo ki long tendong na Shillong na ki Shillong wat hanya sorro jadi ban yang ki kijak na jong ban penmi ki sap ban penmi ki jimbut jim perhat ban Shillong ban sei ki sap nang bani la ban yo ban pen kelai ki pun kanong mo ban bani la ban de yo ka pisa but kanong ki kwa ban ong ya barok khat ban la ban dan ka tang yo I ba ha ko ka in lang sa lang jong ki bon ki yo ban thei ki ba ha pe pan ki kon man we mo ki long kme ki ba ha pe ki kon ki kling tin na ta daw ni pen slurry pi ai mo yo play kini kila mbakanen ba ki we ro ban la ban pen ban ya slot lang but ban shim ban ta kenapa kan Shillong ke jimpen Shillong kum ba I chief guest ila ban yang ni ro ban ban le chiga government ka no ban ta de ban long pasta ban champang ban shim ila kinen ti kum no ban yo ya ka pisa na ni ke jinya raf ka no ka kom dengan pen slam ya kata na shu I could lay lam pi ba ro khoi ba ble un ku ti jong pi ke ai trai unjur pakanen ki we ki riu kan thai ki ba pensure iwe ni pensure iwe ki ble un ku ni kasni but ni
Ki pulit kanong po ki balapit ngor mentala bun tayo hakapor shiteng senya jang ka arpu nyau tarik Risaw haba unongnya ka we ka kali espresso ka badan yu number AS01EG 2734 ula yoi na paji ya ka jing up thap ki pulit ula pensange ya ka bat ula I no ya ka kali bat petwood shaka jaka bat klam wan pai shu ki pulit haba kila yoi ya ka ni kila subas new ya ka ni ka kali kumta kila let hajan bat kila bat no ya ka ni ka kali namar ka dei hakapor shiteng senya ki pulit kimla shu ban yo ya ki sakhi ki satar ban talasi ya ka ni ka kali haka step ka babot arpu pra tarik Risaw kila talasi ya ka ni ka kali rengkat ki sakhi satar ki babiang Lashem na kani kakali arpu prasong umar ubaki pulit ki suba udei ukenja ubala song batte bhamlon habathau yakini ki song kidan hado arspa 100 kilo ki pulit kidang thuet di unongnya bat utrai jong kani kakali bat kijing toket kidang ya chaprang
Mari jual. Wah, lihat. Kita ingin sini lewat sentrap semua. Tinggi. Ada tempat. Kalman Raya. Ini kan Kalman Raya. Kira lagi ya. Ini sentrap ah. Allah sah ini pun tidak kita
networkนะ
Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma lambat usin rob Menteri Rangba Pak Prestun Tensong haka arpu pratarik Risaw Hajar Arpusan haka jinga don lang uba Sanbor Shulai Menteri Arts and Culture bat ki he officer jangka sorkar Jylla kila hiar ban pli yaka yeng office jangka civil subdivision penursela ban pensuk yaki pad ba kani kathan habakran haka nika sngi pli yaka yeng office civil subdivision Uba Prestun Tensong MLA jong kanika than ulaong. Ka sorkar MDA kadai ka sorkar ka batre da ka kam. Bat kam jidon por ban kentho yaki weipan. Nalor kata ulaong. Nadu ka sngi bala sedang ban penbena ban te ya ka yeng office civil subdivision bun ki bala kentho bat ong. Ka building jong ka civil subdivision penursla kan long tangkum ka snayap. Henry mentapan kala yang kenjreng hakadur kadar ba ikan ban kani kadai ka buram yaki pat ba jong kani kathan ulaong kadbana kalyang Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma ulaong kajingwan ra ka sorkar ya ka civil subdivision kadai ban weng ya kajing e ki ba ki nong shong shnong ki ya kendo namar haba ki wandan kam haki office sorkar ki haban yad naka we ka jaka shaka we pan Henry da kajingwan ka civil subdivision kala pensuk yaki Namar tang hakaway ka office lapan biang baro ki department nagbenta ki jingdon kam jongki.
But I will continue with one thought, especially after what our sister has sung. And this takes me back to 2018. And I repeat this many times, but I wish to repeat it today also. And that line is a line from a book which was authored by Shillong, and again one of my favorite books, I should say. And the quote in that book is said that don't do different things, but do things differently. I repeat, you don't have to do different things, but do things differently. It's a very, very meaningful statement, and again a statement that drives a lot of the decision making in our government. First, I told you about that moment when you feel you can't do it, but then you tell yourself that yes, you can do it. A lot of people told us, don't touch the border issue. It's politically very, very hot and it's going to burn me. But we discussed with Jubilee here. And we said that if you don't do it, then nobody's going to do it. We have to try. Because 20 years from now, when we look back, we will regret that when given the opportunity, we didn't do it. Similarly, when I say we do things differently, I'll give you an example of what I mean. That when we have thousands of schemes from Government of India, We don't need to start new schemes, but we just need to make sure that that scheme that we are doing is implemented differently. We have block offices everywhere. We have SDO offices everywhere. It's not that we have to create more offices, but we have to make the system in such a way that the SDO office starts working differently. And when I say differently, I mean more efficiently. And this is the core or the crux of what we do as governments. When we started in 2018, NG and REGS had utilization of 400 plus crore, less than 500 in 2018. Today, in 2025, the same scheme, not a new scheme, the same scheme of NG and REGS. But today, because we are doing things differently, we are touching utilization of almost 2,000 crores. Same scheme started off with 500, today we spend 2,000 crores because the block offices are working more efficiently. The BDOs are working more efficiently. Our Gram Sevaks are working more efficiently. Our block offices have been created. Infrastructure has been improved. All of this leads to better implementation of schemes. In the last
Badagi tugi Khubor ngila poi siya kapakot tarahadu bangin daya siyambiyang Jubilee Shibon.